Sharon and Joe. Welcome to our adventures. We have spent the last 5 months traveling across the country and documenting our experiences. Join us as we embark in a new series each Wednesday as we wade into the world of West Coast fisheries.
We will take you along as we learn how to fish, clam, and crab along the West Coast and learn from our mistakes as we go. We'll even try some new recipes to bring out the flavor of our fresh catches. If fishing is not your thing, continue to join us each Sunday for our travel series.
So guys, today we are at our campground and there's the salmon river that runs between our campground. So we are here and we are going to try some
Crayfishing.
Yeah. We've actually never done this before. We've caught them like just, you know, once in a while, but we've never actually tried to catch them for...
I have a crayfish trap, holes on each end. And you put some shrimp in here in a bag and then you weight it and put it at the bottom of the creek and wait and see what happens. We'll also flip some rocks and see if we can find any.
And then if we get enough, we'll make a meal out of it.
Hopefully it works. We'll take our shrimp, which are starting to stink.
Oh, it is. Woo! That really stinks. We're actually going to try to catch some by flipping some rocks over.
Put my gloves on and flip some rocks. See what happens.
So we keep finding the sheds of them. We even found their claws. I saw him crawl right underneath of it. Right here. He might be crawling out right there. You see him? It's right here. This rock. This rock.
It's really hard to see.
There he is! Yay!
He swam right into my hand.
Because he was looking at me.
That's the one. That's not the same one. He's smaller than the one we saw.
Woohoo! Teamwork, teamwork.
Teamwork makes the dream work. I can't fucking see anymore. He's right there.
He's right there, babe. He's right there. Grab.
Big one. That's a nice one.
Good job.
That's a nice one.
Good job.
Sweet. He is not happy.
The next day.
We're going to take a walk down to the Salmon River and check our crawfish trap. Yep, one nice one in there. Nice sized little guy. In the bucket you go.
Okay guys, so the last time you saw us, we were at our last campground near Mount Hood, and now we are in Bend, and there's also a river here.
Little Deschutes.
Which is crazy because there's no rocks here, but when we came down here, we saw lots of crayfish. So last night we decided to put in our trap, and before we left, we saw
them swarming around the trap, so we're gonna pull it up and hopefully we have a bunch of tasty crawdads.
Yep, wish us luck. You still in, right? There's a bunch in there?
Balls.
No. Oh yeah. Oh, look how many. That's it. That's good. So one more tubing.
Not that cool. All right.
You wanna show here?
There's one on the outside of it.
Here, show this on the video.
Look at those crawdads inside that trap. There's a bunch of them crawling around the outside of it too.
Oh no.
Yeah, there'll be a couple that I won't get, but there's a bunch of them in there. Oh yeah.
Oh, how many's in there?
There's a bunch in there.
Whoa! Get that one, get that one. That's a big one.
Wow.
Whoa.
Yeah, we got crawdads. Wow, look at them all. They are nice. They are nice sized ones too.
Oh my God, how many?
Crawdad harvest.
It's
Look at them all on this
Oh
side.
my God.
Wow.
Oh, there's one in the chicken.
Whoa, you got into there?
Is there many more in that
There's another one coming
basket?
out.
Oh, they
Little-
got in.
Little baby one.
Wow, this is so exciting. Our last campground had like rocks and everything, so we thought there were going to be a lot more there, but we left the trap out overnight there and we only got one.
Yeah.
Here, you see how many we got in one night.
And there were so many that we're just going to put it back out and leave it for another night. So hopefully we'll get more and have a nice crawfish boil. This is one of the biggest crayfish I've ever caught. He is giant. And he is not happy. Wow, look how many there are.
I just can't believe it. Oh my goodness.
What a bunch.
Wow.
And there's more of them waiting to be captured. So
There is. There's three more down there.
we're just going to put the trap right back.
It's coming back. They're already coming back for it. Joe, look. He's right by you. You can literally just grab him. How is he not scared of you?
Several days later.
So we're having us this is a high country crawdad boil. Pacific Northwest Signal Crayfish going in the pot. And that's the game.
Crawfish boil.
This is the best low country crawfish boil I've ever had. Oh wait, the only low country crawfish boil I've ever had.
I like just cooking.
We enjoyed crawfishing in Oregon, and our boil was delicious. Join us next week as we try 4 different traps to see which works best for crabbing.
Please make sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a comment below. Thanks so much for watching. See you next week.